Hello, welcome to the video of my Gledhill-brook antique time recording clock. It's a very large clock indeed. To give you an idea of the scale of the size of it, that's a large fireplace there, and there she's on the wall. Serial number 62793, which was approximately made in 1942. It's an industrial quality clock. It's very well made, much sought after. Many thousands of these were stripped and the movements was used in grandfather clocks, etc., because the movement in it is an Empire fusee movement which gives constant torque for its 8-day wind period. And I can actually say this clock, being its age, it keeps its full 8 days even now. The case in solid oak, very well made indeed. Lovely looking clock. And I'm lucky enough to have the time clocking in card rack, which also is in oak, but these are new and they've never been used, and they're very sought after item indeed. Just to give you a quick demonstration how it works. Oh, I'm not going to use a blank one. This one's already been stamped. You put it in, you'd have to hold it true because I've got one hand on the camera. It's quite difficult to get this lever there. You push it down, ready, and that actually stamps it. If you focus in, it is Sunday today. It's missed the part. I mean, I'm not going to be using it for clocking in and out. The ribbon would need re-inking, but I've just brought it for the living room because it's a nice looking piece of art basically. It's got a lovely sound to it. Very intriguing thing to have in your living room, this. I'll open it up and you can have a better look. So well made, and I keep saying it, but little things like this, you pull on that lever there and that advances the clock 30 seconds just to make sure that your clock is always running spot on. I'll just show you the internal mechanisms now. First of all, you've got to remove this. There's one that side, you just push them around, the front will go then. And there's the mechanism. You can see the ribbon there. After all this time, it still works. These are your drives which go from your main movement of your clock. Let's have a quick look if you can see anything underneath. You can just about see there the clock mechanism itself, and you can see the brass plates. The thickness of them is unbelievable. The quality is unbelievable. So push down on there. If I go back again, have a little better look at it. There you go. That's British engineering at its best. And under here, before I forget, there's a little secret compartment. I don't actually know what it does. There's a bit of an old clocking in card in there, and the wages £8, which isn't a lot. So it's going to be quite old.